One thing for sure that I believe not only Trust Wallet will do a significant role for your trading, but also the wallet in your exchange matters the most to manage your funds. Greetings everyone, and here is the theme of meeting, Dark Candle. And in this video, we're going to explore into our exchange's wallet, which is either very important because there's exactly where you want to trade, no matter spot or future. All things matters here. Now, I've chosen another exchange for you to be familiar with everything and every other exchanges that exist. Here, at the very first page, you see the wallets option, which I have already registered, and by registering, it's just like a piece of pie. After that, this page will be shown to you, and by here wallet, it just show me estimated balance and the deposit and withdraw. By clicking on it, a new page will be loaded and gives you a wallet overview. Now, here we have mostly to do our works with these three options: deposit, withdraw, and transfer. And there's a more which indicates transaction history, and by clicking on it, you will see your transactions history over all the time. Now, by clicking on deposit, here there are four simple ways. The first one will be selecting your crypto you want to deposit into this wallet. For example, I want to do it with Tether, USDT, and any other coins you can choose to deposit, but that'll just do fine for us. And the other one would be network. By selecting a network, and this is very important, that it gives you a warning here that ensure both your selected crypto and deposit network match the info on the exchange platform you're withdrawing funds from. Otherwise, your assets won't be credited and can't be retrieved. This is very important. You have to select the exact same network and the crypto that you want to deposit from the other wallet or every other place. For example, here I choose TRC20 Tron, and then it gives me my wallet's address. It says that the minimum deposit is 0.01 USDT, or I could somehow say 1 cent of Tether, for example. An expected arrival would be 1 network confirmations, and there is a network confirmation needed for every deposit you want to do. The contract address is ending with JLJ6T, okay? And this is your wallet's address. You copy this to where you want to deposit the amount of money in here, and that's all. Just boom. As it says here, for example, select your token and crypto, the wallet address, and then withdraw to a wallet address, transfer confirmation, and that's done. Deposit successful. This is for deposit, and let's do it for withdraw. For example, you want to withdraw some amount of money from this wallet to every other places, every other credit cards, and so on. By clicking on withdraw, it goes to a new page, which, well, there's a 0 withdrawal fee event. Even better. By selecting crypto, for example, all the cryptos are in 0 fees, but normally it will charge you with some fees, but here for the event it's 0. Clicking on USDT, withdraw to, you have two options. The first one would be KCEX users, KC exchange users, and there's 3 steps you have to take, but to the other addresses, you could do just fine here. This is the address you have to copy, then wallet's address you want to withdraw this money to, and the network either. Here it is important that make sure your withdrawal address and the network match, or the assets may be lost. It's very important. You have to keep it in your mind. For example, TRC20 either, and that's all the way done, which I didn't copy that address, but you have to do it, and that's all the way done. You click on withdrawal amount, the address, I'm sorry. First, you have to copy the address here, which I don't have right now, but after that, you will type the withdrawal amount, and that's done. And the minimum of withdrawal here would be 5 USDT. The second one is done, and now the third one, transfer. Transfer is just like a piece of pie because you want to transfer from your spot account to your futures account, or on the contrary. And the crypto you want to transfer and the quantity. And after transferring, it'll transfer that quantity that you've chosen from your futures account to a spot account. And as I said, vice versa. This is all about your exchange is valid. You have to know. That's all. That's all. And keep up with the next videos. Thanks for watching us.